Barbecue tofu and zucchini salad. Add the pearl couscous to a saucepan of boiling water and cook for 10 minutes or until just tender. Drain the couscous and refresh under cold water, draining well. Transfer to a medium bowl. Spray zucchini and tofu with oil. Cook tofu in batches on a hot char grill for 1 to 2 minutes each side or until charred. Cook the zucchini on the grill in batches for 1 to 2 minutes each side or until charred. Place the oil, vinegar and garlic in a screw top jar. Shake until well combined. Season with salt and pepper. Divide the couscous and rocket among serving plates. Top with the tomato, zucchini and tofu. Sprinkle with spring onions and parsley. Drizzle with dressing. Season to serve. This quick and tasty salad makes a great vegan option for your menu. Click here to subscribe and make sure to hit the bell icon so you get notified when there's a new video ready for you.